Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to learn how to find the skewness in the data and also box plot. So let's start. So this is our whole diagram of the skewness and the box plot chart by charts and charts. So this is the box plot of the tip data. You can see 50 and 60 of the outliers, and the total data you can see the outliers values are more than 140 and up to 170, and this is the skewness of the tip data in the curve form. And also you can see the total value skewness in this chart. So how to find this? So let's start the coding. So first we creating a data in the Excel sheet. In the previous video, we analysis the how to find a five number summary. So this data is same as previous video. Some changes we are in this data. So for the outliers, we have changes value 140 to 170 for different values. So you can easily learn what are the outliers and what are the skewness of the data and box plot. So these are some changes we can do in this data. Also in tip variable. So 50, 53 and 60 are some outliers in the data. So save this file in five summary number folder in comma delimited CSV format. So you can read this file in the Python pandas library. So save this file. Then we can open the Anaconda and Jupyter notebook for the Python analysis. So first we creating our IPYNB file in the five number assembly folder. So open five number assembly folder and then open your previous analysis five number assembly folder file. So in this file we have some find five number values, mean, mode, median, and 25, 50, and 75%. So we find first wax plot of the data. So first we finding the box plot value with the help of some libraries, graphical user interface declaring. So import C1 and SNS for the printing of some box plots and skewness of the data. So import C1 as SNS. With the help of this library, we can printing some graphs and some box plots and the skewness of the chart. So box plot of the total equal to SNS dot box plot df of total. So with the help of this line of code, we can uh, finding the box plot, and you can see the outliers values are automatically shown in this box plot chart. After the 140 value, the values are outliers, and you can see the outliers values are here. And then we can find the value of tip. So same this code and changes some tip total to tip. Also changes in the variable, change the tip. So you can see the outliers value is above than 40, 60 and 43. So 60 and 50 is our outliers, sorry, 50. Then we find the skewness of the data. So SNI does his plot is the code and function for finding the his plot and sorry skewness of the data. With the help of this code, we can printing the skewness of the data chart. So his plot is the diagram in the SNS library. We can create the curve format skewness. So this is our skewness. You can see the curve is smooth from 0 to 140, and after 140 you can see the curve is down. So this our skewness data is from 140 to 170. and then you can find the skewness for the data and diff value. So you can see after 40, 50 and 60 is the skewness. So you can find the outliers value manually. So first we can find IQR total. So Q1 minus Q3 minus Q1 is the formula of finding IQR. We can find the Q1 and Q2, Q3 values previous video. So IQR total is 114.5 and IQR tape is QT3 minus QT1. So IQR tape value is sorry IQR tape value is 10. Then we find outlier 1 and outlier 2. So outlier 1 finding formula is for the total value is Q1 minus 1.5 into IQR. So with the help of this formula, we can find the outlier 1. You can see the outlier 1 value is below than 82.75 and the outlier 2 is Q3 plus 1.5 into IQR total. So with the help of this formula, we can finding the outlier 2 value. So you can see the outlier 2 value is more than 140. So you can see the 140 more than 140 value is our outlier value. You can see in the Boxplot is more accurate. So finding IQR for total, same formula, only changes some variable and the IQR tip. So our IQR for tip value is minus 0.5% and the outlier 2 is and the outlier 2 value is 39.5 above. So you can see 40 and 50 our 50 and 60 is our outliers value. You can see in the box plots in the total data 140 above and the tip data 40 above. Thank you guys for watching our video. For more content, subscribe my channel and also share this video